Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today, as you know, is 5th June and today is World Environment Day. This year's World Environmental Day theme is drought resilience, desertification and land restoration. This simply means that we have to bring back healthy land, keeping deserts from developing and managing water shortages. Trees, healthy soil and clean water are imperative for a solid planet. Being a citizen of this planet, we have a responsibility in saving our planet in various ways. As you all know by now that we live in a semi-deserted area, Delhi. Here in our rooftop, we have done a little rooftop gardening. Here we grow various types of flowers as well as we do kitchen gardening. And my mom does it in a complete organic way. And all kinds of manures that my mom uses is totally homemade. If you wish to know about some manures that we make sure to go to our channel. There we tell you how you can make various types of manures as well as fertilizer. And one interesting magical solution is Bioenzyme. It acts like a fertilizer, as a pesticide as well as boosts the soil. It contains some good bacteria that help your soil quality to improve. So, how do we celebrate this World Environment Day? We can celebrate it by various ways. We can celebrate it by first planting some plants in our pot. All the kitchen waste that we throw away in the bins, we will not do that anymore. Instead, we will turn it into a manure and give it to our plants. This will decrease the earth pollution and we can also improve the quality of our soil. And as we live in a semi-desert area, we can easily feel the water shortage. For this, we save water of the AC outlet, RO filter outlet and even harvest rainwater to give to our plants. I hope you will also celebrate your Environment Day by planting a tree. Now, as you have been watching the video, my mom is taking care of the curry plant. As you saw earlier, the plant had some flowerings. So my mom trimmed all the flowerings and gave some organic manure to the plant. This way you can make your plant healthy and bushy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.